Let me show you the best features I found on a Realme Note 60. And first let's launch our settings. Then we can scroll down and enter special features. Right here there's three different options that we can use, which are pretty great. First one is App Lock. It allows you to lock apps behind a password. If you click on it for the first time and it goes for the rest three options right here in the Smart Actions, you will need to perform something like a setup for each of them. And just follow the instructions on the screen as I already done it, and I can show you the setup right now. So here in the app lock you can enable lock for any apps. For example, we can lock our Google Chrome like it's locked right now, and it means when we open it we'll need to insert a password to actually access this app. Now let's move to another one, which is the hide apps. You can hide the apps and they will literally be invisible on your device. That means you can access them from your home screen. You will need to do something else, and I'm going to show you that in a second. But first let's hide some apps. So when you do the setup here for the first time, it will ask you for a special code. When you input that code, just remember it. And then we can add, for example, camera to that feature. And now when we go back, my camera is hidden. It was here before, but now it's gone. And to access it, we can open our phone dialer, click on the dial pad, and then enter our secret code. And that way we'll be able to access those hidden apps. Next is Private Save, which allows you to hide your files, including photos, videos, audio files, documents, and other different files. That means you can basically hide whatever you want. And to hide it, you'll need to select the section that you want to hide. In this case, let's go for the videos and images. Then we can click on this plus button and select whichever photo or video we want to hide. And when you select, let's say, two of them, and set them private, they'll be visible only here. You won't be able to find them anywhere else on your phone. So if you want to check that videos, photos, files, whatever, you need to go back here to actually preview them. Okay, so we have that covered. Let's move down and then enter our smart controls. And I just want to show you the gestures. I won't be covering how to access all of them as it's pretty clear, and I've made other video including all of the gestures and motions on this device. So let me just introduce you to them. So here in Smart Control we can find screen of gestures, and when activated they give you different feature. For example, you can tap your phone to wake it up when it's locked. You can draw V when your phone is locked to enable flashlight or disable it as well, or draw O to quickly open camera. And you can experiment with different gestures and motions. They are hidden all throughout this phone, so if you're interested you can check that video called all of the gestures and motions on this device. Okay, anyway, let's move on. And here we also have AI boost, and then we need to enable it like that. It allows you to optimize your device and increase the speed and performance, as well as decrease the battery usage. So I strongly recommend from time to time to optimize your device right here. You can also go for the game boost and adjust the CPU frequency as well as DDR frequency. And that would be all of the features I found that are quite interesting on that device.